Hi, I'm Jeff Morita, Client Support Director here at CoinCloud. In this video, I'm going to answer one of the most commonly asked questions we get about how to use a paper wallet with a CoinCloud digital currency machine. CoinCloud's DCMs don't give a paper receipt or any type of paper wallet. Instead, we send you the receipt by text message and you can use any mobile wallet. So we're 100% digital, which is the more environmentally friendly and cost-effective way to go. If you don't have a mobile wallet, you can download the CoinCloud wallet app for free. It's optimized for use with our digital currency machines. But as for how to use a paper wallet, there's a trick to that, and I'll show you it now. Let's say you bought Bitcoin at another brand of Bitcoin ATM, and the machine put your crypto on a paper wallet. Now you want to buy more Bitcoin at a CoinCloud DCM or sell it to withdraw cash. What you need to do first is unlock the paper wallet if the machine password protects it. For example, CoinMe paper wallets are locked to CoinMe's system until you go online and redeem the voucher. Then you have a few choices. If you want to purchase more Bitcoin, you can do that at a CoinCloud machine using the same paper wallet you already have. Just scan the QR code on the paper during your buy transaction. You can also sweep the contents of your paper wallet into the CoinCloud wallet app and go completely paperless. Click the camera scan button, which is at the bottom of the app. Then hover the camera over the private key on your paper receipt. The wallet will present a button to sweep the paper wallet. Tap the button and this will transfer the coin from your paper wallet to the CoinCloud wallet. Keep in mind that for this process to work, the paper receipt needs to contain the wallet's private key and not be password protected. If you're trying to sell your Bitcoin from a paper wallet so you can cash out at a CoinCloud DCM, you can't do it directly from the paper. But you can do the second process and sweep the funds into your CoinCloud wallet and then choose Quick Cash at any machine. You can reserve the money at your chosen machine for up to 48 hours and your cash will be waiting for withdrawal when you get there. If you're still having trouble with your paper wallet, give us a call and we'll walk you through it. You can contact our client support team 24/7 by calling or texting 855-264-2046 or send us an email at support@coin.cloud.